Alright guys, on YouTube, today we're going to be installing, sorry for the sunlight, it's making like the FPS all weird, but today we're installing the hard drive for my computer. Let's get it out of the case. Alright, the hard drive I have is the WD Blue, the 1 terabyte. Alright guys, so let's install the hard drive, shall we? Alright, so the first thing you want to do, get your anti-static wrist strap on, but alright, let's take the drive bays out. Well, we're only going to need one because we're only installing one hard drive. Alright, let me go put my anti-static wrist strap on. Alright guys, now that I got my anti-static wrist strap, I'm gonna take out of the anti-static bag. Alright, here we go. I guess we tear it off. Hard drives you guys have to take very special care of. Alright, I took it out. This is it right here. Basically all you do is set it in the tray with these wire part facing the back. God, this is so cool. That's basically all you do. I'm going to do that real quick. Alright guys, the hard drive is in. It's basically an installation. It's like how to install hard drive. Alright, so let's go down here to where our drive bays are. This part's pretty easy. All you do is just slide it in. Gotta get this crap out of here. Alright, and it locks into place. And there we have installed the hard drive into the bag. Now, basically what we need to do, I'm gonna undo this anti-static wrist strap because I don't need it right now. Basically, now what you want to do is go to the other side of the case. Oh, actually, let me flip it around. Oh god, wrong side. Alright, this is where the hard drive is. The back. Basically, what you want to do, you want to plug in the two ports. This plugs into your power supply. It's the SATA power, and this is SATA. Basically, just want to plug those two in. And let me do that real quick. Alright guys, we have done that. If it could focus in. Alright, we just installed the two power connectors. Alright, let's give this thing a boot. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention one more thing. The power connectors, the two I was talking about. This around. The SATA connects right there. Your motherboard, you see where those two silver things are? Connects right there. And the other cable plugs into your power supply. Check your guide. I don't know, I guess this is a tutorial on how to install the HDD. Alright, let's go to my, I guess, setup over there. Alright, let's test this out. And if it's right, it should boot up and say, no operation system detected. Alright guys, we're now going to test it and see if the hard drive is installed. Let's do it. Let's plug her in. Alright, it's on. You guys ready for the magic? Boom. Let's see what will happen. Let's let it boot up. Alright. Says reboot and select proper boot device or insert boot media in. Alright, yeah. That basically means we did it. Basically, now what will happen when I get Windows, this is pretty much a finished computer, guys. This is pretty much finished. All I need is operating system, which I'm going to be getting either today or tomorrow. And I'll basically just put the CD in there, and then right when the CD's in there, I'll press a key. And, yeah. Alright guys, hard drive is installed. So please rate, comment, subscribe. Peace out.